today I'm going to be going ahead and installing another wig. But before we jump into that, hello, my name is Charmy. If you're new here, welcome. Make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button as well as the like button so we can get to know each other even more. And if you're a returning subscriber, hey, what's up, girl? What you been up to? Now this wig is from a company on Amazon. I have all of the information right there on the side, and also I'll make sure to link it all down in the description box as well as the link to this exact wig. Now y'all, for this wig install, I'm gonna be honest, I really struggle with this wig. It's the 13x4 lace frontals that get me each and every time, but I pushed through. As you will see later on in the video, that this one really frustrated me. I mean, frustrated me to the point I just wanted to rip it off and just throw it away, but we're not gonna let that stop us. I continue to go on. Now this wig comes with the standard cap construction, which is 3 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back, and adjustable straps. The ombre coloring on this wig is phenomenal. Now let's get a little sidetracked. While I was installing this wig, I decided I wanted to go ahead and watch one of my favorite series from back in 2008, which was Secret Life of American Teenager. If y'all ever watched that, go ahead and drop some hearts down in the description box below. Okay, so I went ahead and curled the wig off camera, and the curls, I mean, they were okay, but honestly the curls did not last, and you will see later on in the video that the curls all eventually just fell within a short amount of time. So now for the installation process. So the first thing I'm going to do right now is begin to cut off the ear tabs, and once that's cut off, I'm going to go ahead and proceed to the next step. So now let's go ahead and begin to clean off our forehead. I'm using 91% alcohol. So now I'm going to go ahead and use my dark brown lace tint, and I'm going to go ahead and tint my lace because it is still a little off compared to my complexion. So yeah, whenever anything isn't working, go ahead and get some type of lace tint or some concealer. I'm going to make sure that it is set in place by blow drying it. Okay, so this is where all of the frustration begins to settle in. I went ahead and purchased also the yellow can of the Even Lace Hold Spray, as well as the red, and I'm going to apply both of them. But I'm going to go ahead and use the yellow one first. Now, I don't know what the issue was. I don't know if this wig was still a little too big for my head or whatever, but I just could not get it to lay right. I would always get my right side correct and the left side would still bunch up. So I went ahead and just applied 1 coat of the yellow can just so I could get the wig down intact and see how I could change, fix, take off, whatever I needed to do to try to fix the bunchiness of the other side of the lace. So when using this spray lace glue, you want to make sure that you are using some type of cold air to help allow the spray to dry fast and also melt the lace into your scalp. So although you no longer see me holding the blow dryer, I have the blow dryer in between my legs pointed up at my face instead of me having to hold it in my hands. So I am still applying I have it set on cool air. and not hot. So as you can kind of see right here, you see me lifting up my lace right there because that's where that side is starting to bunch up, although I have already glued it down, as opposed to the side I'm working on now, which is going to lay perfect. So now I have both sides glued down, and as you can see, that one side is just, even from far away, I don't even have to get close up, and you can see that the lace is already bunched up. I don't know, I was frustrated by this point, so I'm just gonna go ahead and start to comb out some of the curls just to get a feel of the style that I was going for before I even fixed the lace, just to get my mind off of that lace for a moment. And that didn't even come out like I wanted it, so I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna have to go off camera and just take the wig off and reapply it all over again and start this thing all over again. I mean, sometimes that's what happens, y'all. Don't ever get discouraged, just keep going. Although I did want to quit, but I just knew I couldn't because I could see that one side already looked very good, and I knew I could get the other side just like it, if not very close to it. So I just went ahead and did it off camera, and I'm gonna come back and show y'all that after. This right here, I don't even understand why I'm hot combing the wig, because I already knew I needed to take it off, but I guess I was just trying to keep hope alive and just see if I could hot comb it and see if I could make that work, although I know it won't go work. It was just that one side that I was loving, and I could just see the outcome of it coming together, and then the other side was just a failure. But right now I'm just wasting time. There is this one plus about this whole thing. Y'all see me running my hands through here and I'm getting no tangles at all. Like, that's a really good pro about this wig. It does not tangle no matter what you do to it. All day long, this hair does not tangle. So here I am after I have already installed the wig for the second time, and I finally got it right, y'all. I mean, I still got a little bit of bunching at my temple area on the left side, but we're not gonna let that stop us. So now I'm gonna go ahead and take the red can and I'm gonna do a whole layer of spray over that, and then instead of me blow drying it on cool, I'm gonna go ahead and tie this down for about 15 minutes using my elastic band. So now this is me after 15 minutes of letting this sit. I'm going to go ahead and take off the elastic band, and if you ask me, I think it looks really good. So we just going to keep on moving on with the next process. So now I'm just going to go ahead and comb the hair, and look, can't you already see that all the curls have already dropped that fast? And I have not done anything besides when I combed them out the first time, I went ahead and put in a ponytail and I let it sit, and the curls just, this wig will not hold a curl, y'all. So just be aware of that. This wig will not hold a curl. Now here y'all see me trying to show y'all that I did get some shedding, but it was only about 2 or 3 pieces out of the whole entire head. That's all I got, was like 2 or 3 pieces. So now I'm going to take my Renutrients wax stick and I'm going to go ahead and hot comb my hairline back so I can begin to, you know, style this wig. Now for this wig install, I did decide to do no baby hairs because just laying the wig down itself was already frustrating, and baby hairs frustrate me to the max. So I was not about to go through that. So this install is a no baby hair install, but you are more than welcome to go ahead and add baby hairs if that's what you like. So since I did not show me curling the wig at the very beginning of the video, I am now going to go ahead and try to reapply my curls. And I'm not really curling this hair in any type of way. I'm just curling it away from my face except for the little bang area, which I did go ahead and cut some layers into this wig around the front of my face, but I did that off camera. I apologize, I should have recorded, but I'm pretty sure that I will have a video upcoming very soon showing me cutting layers in the front of the wig, so please just forgive me for that. Now this flat iron, I've said in other previous videos, this flat iron is very, very old. I cannot leave a link for this flat iron because I don't know what this flat iron was. All I know is that it's a Remington flat iron. So I am going to upgrade my flat iron very, very soon, if I haven't already by the time this video has come out. And in my next video, or whenever I do receive that flat iron, I will make sure that I link that one down in the description box below. If you have not done so by this point of the video, go ahead and make sure you hit that subscribe button. And also, if you are already subscribed, make sure that y'all are continuing to hit that like button to show your girl all the support that she can get. So now I went ahead and curled the other side off camera, and I already have cut the layers into the front. So now I'm just going to go ahead and begin to kind of comb the curls out, style it to my liking, just get everything set how I want it to. And for real, y'all, we are done with the install of this video because, like I said, I did not do baby hairs for this because of the frustration, but I think it still turns out very, very good. Y'all, like, this wig is still a good wig, although it does not hold a curl. This wig is still very cute, especially for something that, especially if you want an ombre wig, but you don't want to be the one to go ahead and do the ombre coloring yourself. This is a very good starter wig for someone who is beginner at, like I consider myself. I am a beginner, but I think this is a very good wig. Now for this pro concealer color that I am using, I did have to go down another darker shade. Y'all, I'm getting very dark, but it's okay. I am now using, I believe, Toast, the color Toast, and this is the pro concealer. But Y'all, this wig is very, very cute. I'm also thinking about, what y'all think? Should I go ahead and dye this color? I mean, I already got a little bit of blonde going on. I would probably have to bleach it a little bit more to lighten up the color to almost about a 613, and then go ahead and dye it some color. If y'all think I should dye it, go ahead and drop the color that y'all think I should dye the bottom portion of the ombre and in the comment section down below. I would love to hear anything and everything that y'all would have to say, comments, everything from about how I am doing so far. Unfortunately, y'all, the video has come to an end. Thank you for watching and showing me all the love and support that y'all are showing me. I hope that you continue to hit that thumbs up button, as well as go ahead and hit the subscribe button. And as always, may God continue to bless and keep you. Mwah.